Hey, Bill here with 30 Minute Woodshop. Thanks for joining. All right, in my move to battery-operated tools, Milwaukee has been providing kits that have the tool only, and a battery for basically the price of the tool and maybe about $20, $30 more. So I've been looking at those, picking them up. You saw earlier where I had picked up this detail sander with its battery pack and a charger. I'm collecting chargers, which I probably don't need, but hey, it's okay. The other one I got was a rotary tool, all right? So I'll tell you what, this little thing, let's open this thing up, but it's actually a battery-operated Dremel, let's call it. That's what it really is. So I do a lot of Dremel work, and quite frankly, I really hate. This is where I think battery helps, because I really hate the battery-operated Dremel tool that I have. It's a piece of junk. It's not Dremel, actually. I think it's Craftsman or something, so don't blame Dremel. My Dremel, I have like 3 of them or 4 of them, and they're all corded. The cords are so stiff that it's a pain in the butt to use them. Okay? So I saw this thing on sale with of course, the tool. All right? 2 CP2 batteries, plus another charger. So I'm running out of room to put the charger on. I have to do something with those. But hey, so why don't you come on here real quick. Let's take a quick look at this tool. Okay, let's start with the battery pack here first. So this came with a pair of CP2 batteries. And the usual, the instructions, nicely packed by the way, but no excess. I'll tell you, no excess packing in this box. Literally, there's no excess packing. So I got the M12 charger, second or third one I have. I got 2 CP2 batteries. We'll set those aside for the moment. And I got the tool, all right? Pretty much for the price of the tool plus 20 bucks. So we'll open this puppy up. And of course, the requisite marketing. That looks like it. Requisite marketing of 300 plus tools you can get in the M18 or the M12 platform. That's always good to use as Christmas. Leave that laying around for Christmas. And of course, we have the cordless rotary tool manual here. Be sure you read and follow all safety directions for any tool that you have, especially power tools. All right. It comes with a couple things. It comes with a spindle, all right, cut-off wheels, and a wrench. And of course, I have a whole. You can see over here, I've got a whole toolkit of this stuff. So let's take a quick look at this. I'm going to throw another battery in this. I'm collecting batteries too, like crazy, which I think is good. It's what's kept me from buying battery-operated tools. So this is pretty good. Let me grab my current rotary tool. So this is one of my current rotary tools. All right. This is definitely heavier than this tool. Okay. So I'll say this, there's going to always be a place for my corded rotary tools. That being said, there's also a place for this thing. When I want to just pick something up and do it quick, I think this is going to be the go-to tool. It's got on-off. All right, you can see it's got the battery. Tells you what the battery charge is right here with the four LEDs. It's got speed control from 1, 2, 3 up to 6. Let's see what they say for the speed on this thing. They give me a speed, 1/8-inch collet, RPM 5,000 to 37,000 RPM. 1/8-inch universal collet, length is 9 inches and weight is 0.9 pounds. So this thing probably weighs half that, which I believe. It's not much to it. This does have a brushless. This does not have a brushless motor in this one. Yep, no brushless motor in this one. How did that happen, boy? Whew. I've been buying brushless motors because they're faster, easier, and quieter. But you can hear. Not bad for 37,000 RPM. Now it does have a spindle lock. Feel the spindle lock going into place. So it does come with the normal tools, which is nothing more than a wrench. They did come with a spindle. So overall, this is a pretty simple tool to use. There's not much to this thing. I can't see using it with anything but a CP2 because trying to add a battery like this would make the whole tool ungainly. It wouldn't be worth my while. But I can see using this tool in quite a few different areas. I especially like the fact that I can pick it up and do a real quick cut off on a small bolt, small nut, or a small screw, and I don't have to drag the bigger one out, the Dremel out, okay, and I don't have to have it plugged in. So I could run someplace, do this real quick, and I'm done. So overall, it's a pretty good tool. I'll tell you what, I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing here. These guys are pretty good. And oh, by the way, let's see if this thing fits. All right, you can pull off the collar. If I'm lucky, this thing, yep, there you go. Or no, maybe it doesn't fit. Nope, perfect. So it's compatible with the Dremel, which is absolutely phenomenal. I love that. And it's got a little, well, this is my Dremel part here, so I can use all my current Dremel equipment, Dremel component parts. I am good to go here. And another sweet little tool package from Dremel. and another sweet little tool package here from Milwaukee. Got to say, the thing, like I said, it comes with a tool, 2 CP2 batteries, and the charger, along with 2, 4, 5, looks like 5 cutoff wheels, a spindle, and a wrench. So you come pretty well decked to go start using them, cutting and those kind of things with this right out of the gate. Nice little tool. Like I said, if you need information, go down here, 30minutewoodshop.com. And hey, hope you got something out of this. If you did, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. And until next time, folks, good making.